戴上手套搭西班牙地铁的日子日复一日。法国的欧洲之星，除了人人戴口罩，工作人员还得在地上画圈，提点社交安全距离。欧洲地区顾防疫、拼经济，逐步解封，但面对各路专家警告，疫情有回流风险，美国已经有无人机公司线上计策。
Another type of aircraft could soon be taking to the skies: pandemic drones.
天空之眼蝠砍众生，而且还能看穿你的体温、心跳、血压，哪怕你在6公尺外咳嗽，也会被它看到。
Originally, this technology was designed to hang from the bottom of helicopters and fly over disaster relief zones to be able to pick up the vital signs of survivors and then determine where's the most important place to place those resources.
用于大型灾难的构思，这回在疫情派上用场，而且有望成为避免疫情2度炸锅的重要工具。
The idea here is to be able to provide population health measurement, a way to help ensure that the decisions we make are protecting our frontline workers, our public in general, and to reopen the economy.
此外，俄罗斯除了有测量仪器让民众测量，现在也在研发机器人，让民众自行掌握健康状况。走出户外，还有这辆小坦克喷洒酒精消毒，用科技实力和病毒拼命。横跨欧亚2洲的土耳其，靠着6000组的疫调大军追踪病毒散播路线的完成率，现在也提升到了97%，确保疫情真的可防可控。全球病毒战役，无论是用尖端科技还是土法炼钢，全球各国只有一条路，只准赢，不准输。三立新闻报道。